you're eating clean, avoiding sugar, cooking at home. But guess what? There's a good chance you're still swallowing liquid poison every single day, and it's hiding in your healthy foods. Today, we're exposing seed oils, what they are, where they hide, and why these so-called heart-healthy oils might be the real reason you feel inflamed, foggy, and tired. What the hell are seed oils? Let's start with the suspects: canola, soybean, sunflower, corn, cottonseed, grapeseed, rice bran. They sound fancy, even natural, but these oils aren't pressed like olive oil. They're chemically extracted using solvents, heat, bleach, and deodorizers to mask the burnt smell. They were originally industrial lubricants. Now they're in your salad dressing. They're everywhere. Simple. They're cheap. Big food companies love seed oils because they extend shelf life, cost pennies, taste neutral, work in everything from cookies to crackers to healthy protein bars. Open your pantry, check the labels. Chances are seed oils are in 90% of your packaged foods, even the organic ones. What they do to your body. Here's where it gets nasty. Inflammation overload. Seed oils are packed with omega-6 fatty acids, and while we need some, most people are eating 20 times more than we should. This throws your body into a constant state of low-grade inflammation, which is linked to joint pain, fatigue, gut issues, skin problems, brain fog, hormone imbalance, oxidative stress. These oils are unstable at high heat. When cooked, they release toxic byproducts that can damage your cells in your brain. Your body sees them as a threat and sends out the inflammation army. Fake, heart-healthy, lie. Seed oils were marketed as a cholesterol-friendly alternative to saturated fat, but new research suggests they may do more harm than good. Chronic inflammation, now that's the real heart attack risk. To spot and stop them. You'll find seed oils in chips and crackers, store-bought sauces and dips, healthy granola and protein bars, plant-based milks, vegan cheese, even roasted nuts and hummus. Sneaky, relentless, slick. Here's what to do. 1. Flip the label. Ingredients don't lie. If it says canola oil or vegetable oil, ditch it. 2. Upgrade your oils. Go for these instead. Olive oil, extra virgin, cold-pressed. Avocado oil, great for high heat. Coconut oil, medium heat plus stable. Butter or ghee, in moderation if tolerated. 3. Cook at home. Fast food and restaurant meals are cooked in cheap seed oils 99% of the time. Even the fries at your favorite healthy spot. The Seed Oil Recovery Plan. After just 1 to 2 weeks of ditching seed oils, people report less bloating, clearer skin, better energy, calmer joints, fewer brain fog episodes. It's not magic, it's just removing what's wrecking your body. Ready to go seed oil free? Drop a comment if you're cleaning house and tag someone who's still pouring canola in their pan like it's 2004. For more bold, disruptive, and actually helpful health truth bombs, hit that sub button and join the health and wellness slingshot movement. Your health deserves better than chemical oil soup. Let's go!